June 30, 1908, an explosion unlike anything seen before shook the Earth. Over 800 square miles of forest in Siberia were completely flattened. No crater was found. No meteorite was recovered. Some say it was a cosmic impact, others, a prehistoric atomic bomb. What really happened? The Tunguska event was a massive explosion near the Podkamenia Tunguska River in Siberia. Witnesses described a fireball tearing through the sky, followed by a shockwave so powerful it knocked people off their feet from 40 miles away. With an estimated force of 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, it was the most powerful explosion in recorded history, before nuclear bombs existed. A nomadic Evenki tribesman described how the sky split in two, and a column of fire rose into the heavens. The heat was so intense that reindeer were burned alive, and their tents were set ablaze. It wasn't until 1927 that Russian scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition to investigate. What he found was shocking. 80 million trees had been knocked down in a butterfly-shaped pattern, as if the explosion had occurred mid-air. But there was something missing: no crater, no impact site, no remains of a meteorite. So, what caused the blast? Scientists believe the most likely explanation is an airburst, where an asteroid or comet, around 50 to 60 meters wide, exploded in the atmosphere before hitting the ground. This theory explains why there was no crater, because the object disintegrated before impact, releasing all its energy into the sky. Tiny fragments of meteoric material have been found, supporting this theory. But some believe the Tunguska explosion was something much more mysterious. One of the most bizarre theories suggests that the Tunguska explosion was a prehistoric atomic bomb, a remnant of an advanced ancient civilization, or even an extraterrestrial detonation. Could a lost civilization have developed nuclear technology thousands of years ago? Or was this an experiment gone wrong by an unknown intelligence? Unlike Hiroshima, there was no lingering radiation, but some researchers claim unusual soil samples suggest a high-energy event beyond a typical meteor explosion. Some UFO researchers believe the Tunguska event wasn't natural at all. Could it have been an extraterrestrial spacecraft crashing into Earth? Supporters of this theory point out that multiple witnesses reported strange glowing lights in the sky before the explosion, similar to modern-day UFO sightings. Was this an alien craft that exploded to avoid detection? Or was it an intentional act, a warning, or a test? The Tunguska explosion was a warning from the universe. It showed us how devastating a space impact can be, even without hitting the ground. Today, space agencies track thousands of near-Earth objects, but could we stop another Tunguska-level event? Or are we just waiting for history to repeat itself? Over 100 years later, the mystery of Tunguska remains unsolved. Was it a natural disaster? A cosmic warning? Or something far beyond our understanding? One thing is certain: the next Tunguska-sized explosion is only a matter of time. Let us know your theories in the comments. And if you love uncovering the world's greatest mysteries, hit like and subscribe.